How to delete Pixverse AI video. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser on your device, and in the search bar type Pixverse and hit enter. Once you get the search results, click on the URL to open the website. When the website is open, log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once you are on the dashboard, from the left vertical menu, hover over the play icon and click on it to open the create video page. Here you will find all previously created videos. Select the one that you want to delete to open it on the screen. Once the video is open, you will find the delete button at the bottom of this pop-up page. So click on it and it will ask you to confirm your action by clicking on the OK button. Now refresh the page to see if the video is deleted or not. And there you go. This is how you can delete a Pixverse AI video. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.